Hey friends, welcome back. So let's continue the ISRO 2020 question paper, right? So the question number 49 is: one instruction tries to write an operand before it is written by previous instruction. This may lead to a dependency called what? So for 49, this dependency is known as output dependency, right? Now 50th is if every known key attribute functionally dependent on the primary key, when the relation will be in which normal form. So in this case, if the relationship is in third normal form. 51 is there is a SQL query: select column from table A, right? Route it or join to table B on column name, right, from table A and table B, where A dot column name is null. So returns the following. So what is written by this code? So the answer is very first option, that is all rows in table B, right, and which meets equality condition. So this is the condition of A dot column name and A dot column B. Now, and from table A which meets the condition, right, none from table A. So because A dot column name is null, so none from table A which meets the condition, so that will return the data from table B only. Now 52 question is to send some same bit sequence NRG encoding require what? So for 52 our answer is B, that is the NRG encoding require half the clock frequency as Manchester's encoding, right? Remember that, half the clock frequency as Manchester encoding. 53 is the persist timer is used in TCP to avoid deadlock condition, right? So for 53 the answer is C, that is to avoid deadlock condition, right? So the persist timer in TCP is used to avoid deadlock condition. 54 is it is asking that checksum field in TCP header is what? So checksum field in TCP header is B, that is one's complement of sum of header data and pseudo header in 16-bit words. And for here we can also say that dropped from IPv4 header format, right? So both could be the answer. If it is MCQ, you can check either of them, but if it is MSQ, that is multi-selected question, so the answer will be both B and C, that is one's complement of sum of header data and pseudo header in 16-bit words, and C will be dropped from IPv4 header format. 55 is if x plus 2y equals to 30, then this expression will be equals to what? So this expression will be equals to B. So if you solve this particular question, you will get the answer as B, that is 16. 56 is for the distribution given below, distribution A and distribution B, which of the following is correct for the above distribution? So for 56 our answer will be C, that is standard deviation of A is same as standard deviation of B, right? Standard deviation of A is same as standard deviation of B. 57 is the hardware implementation which provides mutual exclusion is what? Test and set instruction. So test and set instruction will be the answer for 57. Now 58 is remote procedure calls are used for what? So remote procedure calls are used for C, that is communication between two processes on separate system. So remote procedure calls are used for communication between two processes on separate system. 59 is consider the following recursive C function that takes two arguments, unsigned int rer, unsigned int n, and unsigned int r, right? So this is the expression. Now what is the return value of the function rer when it is called as rer 513 and 2? So for 59 if you see the recursive call and then try the program, you will get the answer as D, that is 2. 60 is a given grammar is called ambiguous if what? So the given grammar is called ambiguous if there is a sentence with more than one derivation tree corresponding to it, right? If there is a sentence with more than one derivative tree corresponding to it, so that is called an ambiguous grammar. 61 is which is the output of the following code. So for this, if you solve this program, you will get the answer as B, that is 110, right? So you can frame the answer like this and you will get the same answer, that is 110. So for 61 our answer will be B, that is 110. Again for this, what is the output of the following C code assuming it runs on a byte addressed little endian machine? So for this question our answer will be C, that is 22. So that is 22. Now 63 is what is the output of 32-bit machine with a 32-bit compiler, right? So this is the program that we have, many pointers and double pointers are here. So if you solve this question or frame a diagram like this, you will get the answer as C for 63, that is 50 and 60. Okay, 64 is regression testing is primarily related to what? So basically regression testing is primarily related to maintenance testing, right? Guys, for this I would say there is a bit doubt, like the answer could be option A as well. Basically that is a part of functional testing, right? But when I checked the answer key for this question, so the answer was D, that is maintenance testing. So most probably you can also write your comment on this question, right, if you feel anything different. Okay, so but as per official key the answer was maintenance testing. Okay, now 65 is of the following sort algorithm which has execution time that is least dependent on initial ordering of the input. So for this our answer will be C, that is merge sort. So merge sort algorithm has execution time that is least dependent on initial ordering of the input. So right. 66 is the following circuit compares to 2-bit binary numbers x and y represented by x0 x1 x0 and y1 y0 respectively. X0 and y0 represent least significant bit. So the under what condition G will be 1. So if you frame the answer for this, you will get A as x is greater than y. So if you do that with these diagram, right? So just pass the input that you are getting, then that way you will get the answer as A, that is x is greater than y. Yeah, 67. What is the availability of this software with following reliability figures? Mean time between failures MTBF is 20 days and mean time of repair MTTR is 20 hours. So again, if you frame or solve the question, hope if you already done that, you got the same answer, that is 96%. So for 67 our answer will be B, that is 96%. Now 68 is what is the defect rate for 6 sigma? So for this we have the answer, that is 3.4 defects per million lines of code. So the defects rate for 6 sigma is 3.4 defects per million lines of code. 69 is consider the following pseudo code, right? I, j and k while I is less than k minus 1. Okay, so this is the program. Now the cyclometric complexity of the above code is what? So it is asking the cyclometric complexity. Here you can see we have two while loop, and inside the while loop there is a one condition. So that means this condition will check each of the while loop and out of each of the this while loop also. So for this the answer will be as 4, because this condition will check each of this while loop and each of this while loop, right? So for that case the answer will be C. Now in a class definition with the 10 methods, to make the class maximally cohesive, number of direct and indirect connection required among the methods are what? So for 70 our answer will be B, that is 45 and 0. So again, in a class definition with 10 methods, to make the class maximally cohesive, number of direct and indirect connection required among the methods are 45 and 0. 71 is of the following which best approximates the ratio of the number of non-terminal nodes in the total number of node in a complete k-array tree of depth n. So this is the answer for 71, that is 1 by k. So 1 by k is the best approximate ratio of the number of non-terminal, right, node in the total number of node in a complete k-array tree of depth n. Hope you got this. 72 is a stack is implemented with an array of a 0 to n minus 1 and a variable pos. With that, the push and pop operations are defined by the following code. So this is the code. Now it is asking that which of the following will initialize the an empty stack with the capacity n for the above implementation. So for 72, our answer will be D, that is position to n minus 1, right? 73 is given that BA, FA and EAB, when then what is the best meaning of this expression? So this is the expression that we have. Now if we check the answer, we have the answer is D, that is only bears eat fish. So you can see that what it is saying, BA means A is a bear, FA means A is a fish, and EAB means A eats B. So it is saying that for all fx, that means in all the domain, right, all y in okay, eyx. So you can see for fx means a is a fish, right, for or fish. Then for all y, e of yx, so e of ab means a eats b, right, a eats b. So that means y eats x, right, where b of y, then b of y means y is a bear, so that means only bears eat fish. Okay, so only bears eat fish. 74 is following declaration of an array of struct assuming size of bytes short, int and long are 1 2 3 4 respectively. Alignment rule stipulates that n bytes field must be located at an address divisible by n. The fields in a struct are not rearranged, right? Padding is used to ensure alignment. All elements of array should be of same size, right? Struct complex, so short s, byte b, long l, int I, and complex, right? Complex c of 10. Assuming c is located at an address divisible by 8, what is the total size of c in bytes? So for 74, guys, I would say you should comment the answer, right? Because being honest, I did not get the proper answer for this one, right? So if you get the answer, so you can just let me know too. 75 is a grammar is defined as A, B, C, D, E, right? The non-terminal alphabet of the grammar is what? So for 75, our answer will be A, that is A, B, C, D, E. So the non-terminal alphabet are A, B, C, D, because you can see that the left side are always non-terminal because these can be expanded further. So that is why these are the non-terminal alphabets. 76 is if a equals to xyz, b equals to u v w x, and the universal is this, right? Then a union b bar intersection a intersection b is equals to what? So for this we have the answer as xy. So if you solve this, you will get the answer as xy, but that was not in the option. So okay, I hope in the past whosoever given the exam, if he or she tick any of the one options, they will probably get the marks, right? So if you solve it again, and you will get the answer as xy. Now consider the following circuit. Okay, this is the circuit, and the functional function by the network above is what? So here we have to find the function that is written by the network. Okay, so here AB, that is become A dot B bar, CD, that is become C plus D bar, because this is NAND, this is NOR. Now here it will be AB bar, and here we will get E, right? So AB bar and E of full bar. Then there is E and F, right? Sorry, A and B and E, right? And this is not NAND, this is just AND. Here E F again and here C plus D and F and. So at the last it is now saying NOR. So again in NOR what will be? Here A, B bar and E, right? Now next expression is coming is E and F, and next is coming as C bar, C plus D bar and F. Now it is whole complement of this. So if you solve this particular expression, okay, so you will get the answer as B, that is E bar plus A B F bar C plus D plus F bar, right? So you can also solve this and you will get this answer. 78 is in the following procedure, integer procedure p of xy, integer xy, value x begin, right? So this is the expression. Now x is called by value and y is called by name. Okay, if the procedure were invoked by the following program, k equals to 0, L0, z equals to p of kl, then the value of z would be set equals to what? So for 78 our answer will be B, that is 8, right? So if you frame the question, you will get the answer as 8. Now next question, that is 79. Consider product of three matrices M1, M2 and M3 having W rows and X columns, X rows and Y columns and Y rows and G columns. Under that, what condition will it take less time to compute the products as M1, M2, M3 than to compute M1, M2, M3, right? So for 79, our answer will be B, that is 1 by X plus 1 by Z less than 1 by W plus 1 by Y. So B will be the answer. Okay. 80th is a new flip-flop with input X and Y has the following properties, right? So these are the input and current state and next state. Now which of the following expresses the next state in the terms of XY current state? So for 80 our answer will be A, that is X bar and Q bar, or Y bar and Q. So yeah friend, this was all about the ISRO 2020 paper. I'll also come up with other papers, right? Hope this preparation series are definitely helping you, right? I have also published all the gate paper now ISRO, and will come up with all other previous year questions, so they will help with your next upcoming exams or any other competitive exam. Thanks.